Hi guys, Tech James here. So I did not expect to be making a video at one of these abandoned places, but guys, check this out. Look what we have found here. We have found a Game Boy Color. So the condition of this Game Boy Color isn't actually too bad. I can just show you the condition of it right now. So it's a pink one. It's the classic Game Boy Color. Like, it hasn't had like a replacement. It's actually missing the batteries and the back cover. But yeah, pretty crazy. We've literally found this in this abandoned house. We're in a kid's bedroom right now, and as you can see, it's been abandoned for maybe over a year now, I don't know, but the house is completely falling apart now. It's in pretty bad condition. Other people have been in here, and there's basically like a loft just full of stuff and their possessions. I think they probably took what they wanted and just left all this trash. But yeah, Game Boy Color. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to try and restore it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is it a bad idea to take something? Is it stealing? I mean, I don't really care, to be honest. This is this is like pretty cool find. And yeah, the condition of it is really nice. It was actually up there in the loft. There's quite a lot of stuff up there. There's also some vintage Meccano, if you guys know what that is. Not really something that I find interesting. But yeah, pretty crazy. Maybe I'll show you the rest of this house as well, just quickly. Did you want to go in the loft again, or?
I can't climb up on just the one, so...
Is that like
why
really...
don't you stand on it and just like film through it?
Is it broken?
No, it's not too bad, it's not too bad. I pushed it against the wall. Just
oh,
stay
fair
back.
enough. Oh my god.
Just stay on this side here. Yeah.
That's so bad.
Oh, that's hard to climb up in it loft.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of... I'm going to get down because this is so dodgy, but... Yeah. Oops. So yeah, I'll just show you guys. Oh, guys, also in here, check this stuff out. Xbox 360. There's actually like, they're just boxes. There's also a PlayStation 2 box here, and the Sims 3 as well. Also a kid's bear, but they're just empty boxes that they've just left lying around. The Sims 3 is actually in there. But yeah, pretty crazy. Maybe the consoles were here before. I don't know. They left the boxes anyway. I don't think anyone would have taken them. But yeah, this is pretty much the whole house, and I managed to get a Game Boy, so that is pretty cool. Let me show you the Sims real quick, if I just go and open this box. So yeah, the Sims 3, so if anyone wants to come and get this and the boxes, go for it. This place is going to be completely flattened soon. They're actually, like, the land's been sold. We're actually in the upstairs right now, but yeah, it's a full house. Let me just show you in the bathroom as well. It's there. Face reveal, I guess, half face reveal, I don't even know. But like, let me know in the comments, guys, would you take the Game Boy, or would you like leave it? What do you think? Do you think it's stealing, or would you just take it? Because, I mean, it's going to be destroyed either way, so I guess it doesn't really matter too much, because this place is just going to be completely flattened to the ground. I'll just show you the downstairs really quick. I mean, this is not an abandoned channel whatsoever. This is just something I do with my friends, just, you know, for fun. But yeah, this is the whole house. It actually stinks in here like really bad because there's stagnant water everywhere. Yeah, just a quick house tour just to show you guys. If any of you are interested, I do put my abandoned place pictures over on my Instagram. These are actually our skateboards. We didn't like find them here, but yeah, if you're interested, check out my Instagram. Lots of other abandoned place stuff on there, and yeah. This is what the house looks like from the outside as well. So as you can see, it was actually broken into fairly recently, and yeah. So guys, here is the Game Boy Color. Now the condition of this is actually very good, considering probably a kid owned it, and it's got the original housing on it. It definitely hasn't been replaced. So I was thinking, should I actually replace the housing, or should I just buy a new battery cover for it? Maybe I'll just do that. It's got some like pen on the back there, and that might be able to come off, I'm not too sure. But yeah, the condition of it, pretty good. Of course, I don't know if this works. It was actually wrapped up in a plastic bag when we found it, but let's just test this out now. Now I did pretty much save this thing because that house is going to be completely destroyed. So we've got Pokemon Red. Let's test and see if this works. Also got 2 batteries, and yeah, I'm thinking maybe I'll just get another cover. But anyway, does it work? Maybe it doesn't work. Unless these batteries are dead, I have no idea. Let me try and get it working. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's actually making a weird noise.
So that's what's happening when I'm going to power on. It could be these batteries. I'm going to go and find some new batteries really quick, and we can see if that makes a difference. Okay, so they're my cat's feet, by the way, if you're wondering what that is. But I've got my other Game Boy Color. This one actually works, well, the batteries work anyway, as you can see, there you go. So let's just swap over the batteries quickly, and it could actually be faulty. I mean, I don't know how long this thing has been sitting up there for. It could be years. So let's take out the batteries of this. Let's just do a quick replacement because we never know. And if it is broken, I probably won't fix it in this video because I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'll have to take it apart and try and find out. So let's see. Oh, perfect. It was the batteries. Okay. Let me just kind of like dust this out because maybe the game's just not being read properly. Okay, there you go, it's working now. So yeah, Game Boy from an abandoned house, pretty good condition, working. It's just really dusty, and the batteries I had previously just didn't work at all. And yeah, so I guess that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what should I do with this? Brand new housing or just buy a replacement cover? I mean, the cover is probably like $1 off eBay or something, £1. It will be really cheap. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.